I'm back. All right, this time we're going to kind of revisit the past. We're going to go back in time. That's right, we've gone back in time. And those of you that remember, this is a net. Not a fishing net, not a net, basketball net. Buckets? No. This is a mathematical net. And what I'm hoping that you'll see, besides the terrible drawing, okay, is this is 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 squares here, okay? So if there's 4 squares here, and I'm going to call this the bottom, the base, okay? So there's 4 things here, 4 squares. All right, 4 squares there. Hey, and there's, 4 of these other squares on the other sides. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up your mind. You're going to imagine, be like, and cut this out. And you're going to fold it up in your mind. If I fold this up, if 4 is on the bottom and this is coming up, how many layers would that be? That would be a total of 4 on the bottom with 2 layers. 4 times 2. 4 is my bottom base times 2. So I would have how many cubes or how many blocks? Last time I looked, 4 times 2 is 8. So you'd be like, 4 times 2 is 8. So, all right. Told you I'm not the best drawing person. Right? So, if I was to draw this, I know I'm going to have 4. Right? So if I have 4, Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks there, and then another 4 blocks. Okay. So that would give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Okay, like I said, I'm not the best when it comes to drawing things, but you should be able to get the point. Check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's that bottom layer. So when you fold it up, see here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Layer 1, layer 2, layer 1, layer 2. So this type of net will give you a total of what? 8 cubes. All right, so we're going to get a total of 8 cubes. So that's what we're trying to guess. So that was one. Here comes another. All right, I'm back again with a different problem. Kind of. I've added to it. Okay, so if you kind of look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This time my bottom has 8 of them. And then you look at your wings. You look at your sides. 1, 2. 1, 2. Because if you were to cut this and you fold it up in your mind, how many layers would that be? 1, 2. Fold it up. So that's 2 layers. 2 layers of how much? Oh, the bottom is 8. So 8 times 2, because we're saying the bottom times the layers. So 8 times 2. And what is 8 times 2? Well, if you're still thinking like, 3rd and 4th grade, it's 8 plus 8. or you can say 8 times 2, or 2 eighths, is 16. Either way, 16. All right. Awesome. Now remember, bottom part times layers. Okay? Yes, it's that easy. And of course, you're not always going to have nets. Okay? Sometimes you're going to have the blocks drawn in a certain way. So when you look at this, yes, I know I'm not the best artist, but when you look at this, it's like, oh, hey, how many blocks do I have on the bottom? 1, 2, 3, or excuse me, 1, 2, 3. So if my first, how many layers do I have? I have a total of 2 layers. I have 2 layers. And how many blocks? I have 3 blocks. So I have 3 blocks times 2 layers. So how many blocks total should I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 times 2 is 6 blocks. Okay. Now, if I was to extend this and go over here, all right, and I extended it, uh-oh, now my whole problem has changed. What do we got now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we have a total of 6 blocks. 6 blocks times how many layers? Well, if, like I said, if you make it fold down, level 1, level 2. So how many layers do I have? I have 2 layers. Okay, so 6 times 2 is 12. So now I have 12 blocks. Because once again, you're not always going to have a net. You're going to have to count blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's one group of 4. And if there's one group, 2 group, 3 groups of 4. Oh, 3 times 4 is 12. So it just depends on how your mind sees this. One way your mind could see this is layer 1. Layer 1, and with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks. 6 blocks. 6 blocks, 2 layers, and 6 times 2 is 12. Okay? And some of you are not going to see it like that. Some of you are going to be like, well, I see it like this. And they're going to see that, hey, this is a group of 4 right here, and this is another group of 4 right here, and there's your third group of 4 like there. So, can you do that? Yes, you can. Just depends on your mind. How do you see things? Because not everybody sees things the same. But most of you should see this is layer 1, 6 blocks. This is layer 2, 6 blocks. 6 and 6 is 12. That's all I got.